Which of the following cannot be the greatest common divisor of two positive integers a and b? Okay, so the greatest common divisor, remember, is the greatest number that can divide both a and b at the same time. And likewise, the least common multiple is the least value that can be divided by a and b at the same time, that contain a and b at the same time. Okay, so in this case it says which of the following cannot, and when you usually read which of the following, it means you have to try out the answers, you have to see the answers. Okay, what about number one? Can 1 be the greatest common divisor of two positive integers a and b? Or if I give a 2 and b 3, then yeah, it can be. So it's not the answer because you want to find which one cannot. Never. Okay. Can it be a? Well, if a is 2 and b is 4, then 2 is the greatest common divisor of 2 and 4. Can it be b? Well, in case b is 2 and a is 4. What about a minus b? Well, if you take this case and a equals 4 and b equals 2, a minus b is 2, and 2 is the greatest common divisor of 2 and 4, so it can be. That only leaves us with a and b. It must be the answer. But why is it a plus b? Because if you have a and b, and a divisor or a factor of a plus b is at most one of the numbers, as we can see here, it can be 2, then a plus b will be higher, will be bigger than a and b together. So it cannot be a divisor, because the divisor must be less than or equal to the number. Okay, that is why it's E.